guys, welcome back to another video of Shasha SJ, and today we're going to be opening the Xbox One S bundle with NBA 2K20, 1 month of Xbox Live Gold, and the Xbox Game Pass, and of course it comes with the console right here. Okay, so let's get to opening. Alright, so now we're gonna take this sleeve off. I picked this up at Best Buy, by the way, for only $300. Alright, so looks like we open it from right up here. Alright, so here it actually is. Here's the directions on how to set it up. The Xbox One S shows like what the directions you need on how to set it up. Right there. There's that. Now, here's this. Put this to the side. So here's this. There's this Xbox One S thing. Let's open this up. So here's the HDMI cable. Have to use that. And here's the actual thing that you plug into the wall, the outlet. And then here's the controller. Yes, it already comes with batteries. So here's that controller. Dang, this thing nice. This is nice, oh my goodness. Alright, so there's that controller. Headphone jack right here. Charge adapter, even though I have to put the batteries in. And extra grip on the back. That's what I like about the S. There's that. Comes with AA batteries, of course, because I need those. Now, here's the actual big thing that I'm most excited about. Well, actually, we'll do that last. So here it is, NBA 2K20. Of course, I'm not going to give you guys the code. I would do that if I was a millionaire, because I probably could get it again. It's the digital version. Comes with the Xbox Game Pass. You guys are not getting the code to. And yes, I think it comes with the Xbox Game Pass and the Gold, wherever that is. Yep, Xbox Live Gold. But I'm not giving that to you, bro. Alright, here's this. I'm gonna put all of this back in here. Alright. Now, next thing up is the console, which is what I'm most excited about. Get this out. Alright. Move this to the side too. Okay, so here's the console. It's the Xbox One S, so it's the Slim. because I need it because of the room. Alright, so here's the console. Right here. Very nice, very nice. Comes with the physical touch button right here. See if I can get this a little closer. No idea what this is. I think this is take the CD out. Eject button, I think. No, this is the eject button. And the thing right there that you most likely use to put in the charging cable. But I don't need one of those. I already got all I need. And yeah, so Xbox One S, the Slim, and yeah, controller, cables, and the game stuff. The game. Alright, now I'm gonna go play this. Thanks for watching my unboxing video of the NBA 2K20 bundle of the Xbox One S, and I'm gonna go set it up right now. Thank you. Please subscribe and like the video, even though I didn't give out the codes. Just please. Okay, bye.